Alright, so in this course, first tutorial we will look at on the navigation view and navigation link. We will navigate to between views. So let's make a custom and usable example. So first of all, I will make new group called main, and remember this app, it will be a SwiftUI course app. We will make all course tutorials. At least inside this app, we can get the tutorials every time in our custom SwiftUI application. So inside main folder, open new folder again and name it view model, and drag your content view inside main and open new file again. This time select SwiftUI and name it sidebar, like this. Open new Swift file for our view model and name it course. And inside this view model, we'll make a class for our view model. So open new class and name it course view model and make it observable object. Open new struct and you write view info. We have an ID for each course tutorial. So first object is ID and next object is name. The type is string. Also destination view and the type is any view. Okay, it says cannot find type any view, so we should import SwiftUI and open init like this. Name, self name equal to name, and destination view equal to destination view. Under view info struct, open let and name it view infos. The type is view info, our custom struct. We will make a navigation view link, but before this, let's display our views inside sidebar. We will display all course tutorial inside this sidebar. Anytime if you need any course, you can display by selecting. So let's redesign our sidebar. First of all, we should call our course view model with observed object var view model equal to course view model, like this. Open navigation view. That is today we will look at on it. So navigation view, it's that view you will navigate to other views. Okay, so you will navigate to other views from this sidebar view or any view you will use for navigation. Okay, so in this case, we will use navigation view inside sidebar. So inside navigation view, open list and write view model dot view infos. And the ID is getting from our ID. For each course tutorial ID and write view info in. Open new navigation link, that is how to navigation between views. We will see in this example. So in navigation link, we should call destination. If you remember in course view model, we had an object called destination view, right? So we will use that in the future, but now let's write text. For now we will just navigate to text called navigation link, and the label, let's also make it a text called navigation link. Now we can see any course tutorial, right? So we should add inside view infos, or also we can change view info to course. That will be better, right? So change the struct name course tutorial like this. That will be better. So copy this and paste it here and course tutorials and change view info again, also this. Now it's better. So it says missing arguments, right? So fix that, and the first course name, it is navigation link. And for destination view, write any view. Inside any view, write text. So just write navigation link and go to your sidebar again. Okay, we should change the view model view infos to course tutorials because we changed that, and also view info changed to course tutorial. Okay, so now we can change the navigation destination to our course tutorial dot destination view. So replace text to course tutorial dot name to see the name from our course tutorials. So now let's see the result. Okay, we can see NavigationLink. When we navigate on it, it says NavigationLink. So in next tutorial, we will look at the NavigationLink full tutorial. Before switching to next tutorial, so let's add a navigation title. For this, go to under list and write navigation title. You can name it course tutorial list or just tutorial list. That will be short and better.